Hello, my friend. Today I want to talk about my vintage overdrive pedal. I've had this thing for over 10 years. It's been kicked, dropped, spilled, fell out of my truck. It's been everywhere. But I've been having a problem lately with the foot switch. To get it all plugged in, you tend to have to really kick on it over and over and over just to get something to happen. And then it would come on, and then you have to kick it, kick it, kick it to get it to shut off. And it was just starting to be unusable in a live situation. So I was just about to get rid of it. I thought, I'm going to try this super simple fix and see if it actually works or not. I've been pretty skeptical, but what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this here Deoxit. If you don't have any of this Deoxit here, I'll leave a link in the description. You should really get yourself a can. I use it for guitar work, amplifier work, pedals. It's great for all kinds of things. So if you don't have this, grab one in the description. But anyway, what you want to do is you want to take your deoxit, just the tip of it. I'll show you, see if I can get it to show here. We're going to just put it right in this area right in here so it can go down and slip down into this collar here. Now we don't want to soak it or anything, you just want to give it a little spray in there. So let's just line it up here. We're going to give it just a small little spray, just like that. Let it soak in, and then we're just going to kind of work it like this. You don't need to press it in and out all the way. Just kind of let that fluid get down in there. Maybe we'll give it one more little shot here. There we go. Just get it in there. Let it soak. Turn it around. Kind of just get that stuff worked in there. And then give her a couple clicks. And it's feeling a lot better than it did before. That's for sure. Once you've done that, just take your input. Just plug it in here. Let's see if it works now. So I'm pressing it. It's not coming off and on like it was doing before or acting weird. It's working every time. It's solid. So there you have it. Like under a minute, and this Deoxit stuff will fix your pedal. It's got to be one of these toggle type switches here, like latching. You can hear it clicking in. Not 100% sure if it'd work on a non-toggling one, like one that you just press and it clicks over. Maybe we'll try that one in a different video. But yeah, if you're having problems clicking your foot switch, then I would get yourself some Deoxit, or take your Deoxit, just spray it just a little bit in this little spot. See if we can get it to zoom in just in there. You can see there's a little gap there. It's good. Let it run down in there, and then just give it a little bit of a work it in and out, in and out. And there we go. Should be good for another long time to go yet. So hopefully that helped you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. You have yourself a great day.